How to install Facebook application on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, open up your Play Store application and then on the search bar, just search for Facebook application. Then you get the option of install. Now as I've already installed, I'm going to tap on open and it will lead me to Facebook application directly. Now we need to create an account by just tapping on create a new account and then tap on get started, and you have to first enter your name. You have to enter your first name and your surname over here. So just enter that. After that, tap on next. Then mention your date of birth. Here I'm choosing, for example, 1995 and set. Tap on next. Choose Zendo. Next. And add your phone number and also provide permission and enable the option of contacts access to the Facebook application. And after providing a mobile number, your account will be created on Facebook. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.